Money keep coming in, I can't lose. Money keep coming in, I can't lose.
What's up, guys? Bringing you guys back another video here. And so I've talked before about wanting to do some restorations. So obviously to do restorations I kind of need some kicks to restore. So today what we have here is an unboxing from eBay, and if they're legit I'll make sure to I'll link the seller down below, because he gave me a good deal. I got these for $55 shipped, which is a really good deal, and by the pictures they didn't look to be in too bad of shape. We'll see how they actually end up being once we get inside. For clarity and for what's the word? See, I told you guys. You guys watch my videos, I'm gonna look like an idiot. But just to keep things clear between us, I did open this already because my whole address is right here, and I'm not trying to dox myself. So just retaped it up. My first thoughts are gonna be with you guys right now. So without further ado, let's just get into the shoe, guys. I got the scissors here. Let's just go ahead and do this. Alright. Open it up. It's upside down. Just gonna flip it. Whew. There's the shoe. Or here's the box. You can see size 14. You can see the color code. All that good stuff. Let's see if I can get it closer to you guys. Okay. Yeah, suggested retail $130. Seems low, and it is low for now. I wish the prices were still like that, but because this is the 2012 pair, the 2016 pair was retail $190 or $180 for these, and this is the Nike Air Force 180 in the Olympic colorway, otherwise known as the Charles Barkley shoe. So let's just open the box, show you guys the shoe. Here it is. Here's the shoe. I think they're really fire. Ooh, I almost dropped it. I think they're really fire. There's a lot heavier, as you can hear, than I thought they would be. I don't need that box. Who gives a hell about a box? But here they are. I think they're fire. This was the main issue. Was see the cracking right there in the paint. Other than that, I think they're fire. So I'll show you guys some other angles of them.
My entourage full of rock stars and divas. Dropped out of school, but I live better than a teacher. I'm with a model, sipping wine out the bottle. Paint you a picture with the words.
See the tongue, 180 on it, and then he really did it good. But it says 180 Air. Yeah, they're really not in terrible shape at all. Really good shape, with a deep clean and then a repaint there. They'll be looking almost brand new. So let me show you guys this one now. This one has the cracking really bad. That's really the only downside, is that cracking is really, really bad. The strap is in good shape. Let me unstrap it for you guys. Unstrapped. 180 Air. The gold hints look really cool, and then this, I don't think this was on the 2016 pair. I think this was just the 2012 pair. Almost like a Medusa head, but it's like a panther, I think. Yeah, it's fire. This whole shoe is fire. Really good shape for it almost being what? I think the shoe's 7 years old. It's really, really fire. I wanted these back when they came out in 2016. I wanted these and the True Blues and the Tinker Alternates. Only one I got was the Tinker Alternates, but I still need those True Blues. See the bottom here. I don't know what color this was. I don't know if this was just a clear. So we'll probably put some Celebrite on there just to see what it does. But I don't know like I said, I don't know really what it'll do, but yeah, just get them all cleaned up. They'll look really good. That's really bad. I'm gonna obviously have to strip all that off. So that's about it, guys. It was just gonna be a quick unboxing and first look at these. Like I said, I plan on restoring these, getting them back to factory, repainting those midsoles, really getting in there, making them look brand new again. But I think these are really fire. I thought I was gonna sell them, but looking at them, I think they're dope, like I was talking about. So I might just keep this pair, because I think, like I said, they're super duper fire. And if you know me, you know I like my red, white, and blue, and gold too. Gold is my favorite color. So I think those are fire. I wanted to talk about one more shoe though, which is these right here. These are Air Flight 85 lows, I think. But I got these at Goodwill for $20. You guys saw that in my the Ross video I did last week. So I did a whole restoration video on these, showed what I did, put the sole right on them, made them look brand new, as you can see. Made them look brand new. They look really nice. And that video was supposed to be out last Saturday, but the whole file got corrupted, so I lost like 65% of that footage. So, but they're done. So you guys saw them. They were right here in this box right here. But yeah, so I'm gonna put some on foot after I was done and really showing you guys some of that process. So I just deep cleaned them, did some sole bright here, here, here to lighten up the soles again, and then on the midsole too. I'm getting like the paint and everything tomorrow. So like here, I might try to fix the yellowing along the heel, stuff like that. But I just, thought they were a dope shoe. They're fire. UNC colorway, you can never go wrong with that. So I was actually trying to sell these, just make some of my money back. They were $20 at Goodwill, so anything is really good. But I was thinking I want to try to do a custom on these, and I want to test what it looks like when you have the North Carolina blue with black, because I think that would look fire. But I don't know, we'll see. You guys will obviously know everything that happens. So I'm gonna put that footage in, but please like, comment, and subscribe, and that'll be the end of the video. So yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Thank you guys all.
Baby, let's go to Mars, somewhere real far. Jupiter, Saturn, this ring from my heart. Girl, you're my galaxy. When I die, bury me with all of my eyes on. Got my eyes on. Yeah, charms on my neck, she said I'm charming. Last year I was broke, looking stupid, but this year, a picture with these words on Picasso. I was eating and you was just tweeting. I ran it up because I'm being chased by demons.